Today I'm going to show you how to set up a ram mount system on your Pacific Coast. The first step is to remove either the clutch or brake fluid reservoir covers. Two short Phillips head screws hold these in place. Pop the cover off, wipe up any dirt or excess fluid, and work quickly. Place the new plate on. This one was purchased from Motorcycle Larry, and I reused the original screws to put it back in place. The replacement plates from motorcyclelarry.com come in either a 1-hole, like this one, or 2-hole, like the one I'm installing today. It's very important to purchase a ram ball to fit down into the hole on either side of the plate. Once you have the ram mounts in place, you can install a variety of equipment. Here I'm installing my TomTom GPS. The other advantage of the ram system is you can quickly change from one mount to another. Here I'm switching from a drink holder to my iPhone, which I do not recommend using while riding. The ram mount cup holder holds a pretty large cup, and the long straw allows you to drink even with a full face helmet on. A lot easier than a Camelback. As always, use caution and common sense when operating your motorcycle.